What's up, everybody? Just wanted to give you a quick little video. I have to do some exhaust on the S10 that I was working on previously with the wiring, and just want to show you. I keep things very simple when I do stuff. I don't want to get too crazy. I don't have a crazy fab shop. I have basic tools. You know, something like a variable speed bandsaw. It's just a portable bandsaw, which works great. Got it for Harbor Freight. It's cheap. I have a table here that I usually set up. I have all my exhaust pieces. He wants to install a X pipe. For whatever reason, he wants to do that, so that's fine by me. If you look here, this was the original exhaust. Very simple. Just a race style mufflers, turn downs, straight pipe. So we are going to, and obviously my little welding machine. This thing works great. Bought it about 6 years ago, Cornwell. It's actually a nice little machine though, works good. It's good enough for what I need. So problem is, off the headers, in order to do an X pipe, as you can see, I drew it out on the table. That's my X pipe layout. So if I place my X pipe right where it has to go, I already measured across, so I have those two elbows are squared off with the straight edge here, and they are exactly 20 1/2 of an inch width center to center, which is exactly the header exit where we're going to be putting these. So at that point on the table, I drew my X pipe, and now I can actually measure where I need my elbows cut. So I have a couple more elbows here because it's not an exact. Nothing's ever exact. I have that there. That'll be a flush weld there. And as you can see, in the light, if you look at the marks on the table, I already marked out where I need to now cut this pipe so that it'll flush weld or butt weld to the X pipe. I did the same thing for this piece here because I have my marks on the table. So it's just simplified, and yeah, this is just a piece of metal on top of a regular fold-out plastic table. I do not have a nice weld table. Actually, the one I have is too big for the garage, so it's in my shed. It's doing really good out there. So just wanted to show you what I do. So sit back, you can watch a little bit of this. I figured I'd just do a quick video for you guys. So because I do other things other than just you know, building the cars. I do every aspect. I'll do the exhaust, wiring, and everything. So I have always learned to do things in-house. right, so like I said, I use, I don't have the best tools ever. You don't need the best tools ever. I'm just going to kind of show you, end results here. So as I'm mocking it up, I built it on the little table, so that way everything was square. And as of right now, X-pipe goes in nicey nice. So he does have these band style clamps, which is fine. And he had these little retainers. I'm going to put another tab over here, so that way I'll take it off the old exhaust. That way it holds the pipes on, because these clamps are not the greatest. But it's what he had. It's what we're reusing. So right now it's just tacked, and then I'll build it on the bench, finish the welds. All the seams seem to be pretty tight, not bad. So they'll weld up just fine. And I'm going to use my MIG. This is a TIG welded X-pipe that somebody made, but there's really no reason to TIG weld, especially with an exhaust like this. It's nothing special. I can MIG weld it, it'll look just as nice. So, just to give you an idea. All right, so I mock everything up, and then I take it off, and then I fully weld it on the table. It just makes things a whole lot easier. And here we go. So, not bad. He wanted to do turnouts. He wanted them turning in. So I just put them on there temporarily to see how it sounds, because he wants to hear it first. And I'm okay with that. And I'll never brag that I'm the best welder. It works. They're clean. They're not going to fall apart. They're not going to leak. I took his little gussets that he had existing and placed them over here on each end. So that way, but I mean, it's not too bad. The welds are not bad. I'm happy. I just gotta take it back down now and paint it so it looks good. But he wanted to go with a Dynamax, and we'll see how it sounds. So we're gonna fire it up. So once again, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Make sure you subscribe, tell a friend, share it. Appreciate it.